水原希子呢日咧又嚟到香港進擊 BKB 嘅 fashion show 咁咁啱過多幾日就係佢生日啦，所以大會就特別安排咗一個 surprise 送俾佢 ，Happy Birthday！
Happy birthday！ 點解咧？因為咧，原來禮拜四咧就係 Kiko 嘅生日嚟嘅，咁啊，我哋所以咧就借住呢個機會啦，可以同佢咧一齊嚟做一個少少嘅慶祝。不如咁啦，現場朋友，我數3聲之後，我哋一齊同佢講聲 Happy Birthday 好嘛 ？Kiko Happy Birthday，ready？ 1, 2, 3， Kiko Happy Birthday！
嗱，咁作為小 fans 嘅我咧，當然係有留意佢嘅動向啦，都知道佢出席咗 Baby 嘅婚禮喎。咁點啊？開唔開心啊？
Her wedding was amazing. She was like a real princess. Yeah, it was like a dream, you know, it was beautiful. But my wedding, I don't know. I just want to have a few friends and a few families and, you know, make it private, I guess.
Private.
Yeah. I don't know. You know, my mind always changes, so I don't really know, to be honest.
But you seen that Xiaoming? Yeah, he was on stage.
Yes.
He tried to pretend a big band.
Yeah.
What do you feel like? It's
Oh
funny
no,
or
yeah, he was really good actually. Yeah.
In what way?
I mean, like her choreography and you know, it was like really funny and you know, yeah, he was really good. Yeah.
At the time when he was
yes.
而適逢日本藝能界近期都掀起結婚潮啊，啲男神女神一個二個都俾人私有化晒。咁 Kiko 幾時輪到你啊？
いや結婚してる人を見てるとやっぱりすごく幸せな気持ちになるのでいいなとは思うんですけど、まだ私25なんでまだちょっと若いし仕事もたくさんしたいから自分はもうちょっと先かなって思います。